So in this video we are using the dough, a flour dough, to make different kind of stuff. So firstly we are making the bud and tapping on its wing and using this knife to make this look more attractive. And after this done, we are using our hand to pinch its wing to look more attractive, using the comb to give the shape like this. Now pouring the red thing onto it. And the next we are making the dog with the flour dough, so using the knife to make its leg and hand. Now using the stick and rolling it up. Now taking another dough to make the face of the dog, and it's almost done. Putting its tongue and it's ready. In the next we are using this dough and rolling it up, putting this stick in between so you will get the wing, the body of the bird. And now it's turn to make its face, so just we have put the back side of the dough in this way, so you will get your bird is ready. In the next we have taken the 3 part of dough, rolling it up and making a cut. Now putting the strawberry in between, so you will get this structure. Now we are using the fork and making the flour, taking few more dough to make the circle and put it on downward side of it and rolling it up in this way. Cut it up with the knife, so you will get a rose is ready. Now putting these rows on the corner of the flour. Now taking another piece flour dough and using this knife to make a design like that and rolling it up, so you will get this flour and put it into the middle. It's ready. In the next we are here using this dough and making a circle, cut it up, rolling it up, using the fork to press it on the corner, using the knife to make a cut. And now it's turn to make a flower with the help of finger. Now you will get that it's almost done. Using the spoon, the pair of fish is ready. In the next we are going to make something interesting once more. So just we are using this dough to make a crisscross like that, and after this done, taking another dough, making a circle and putting the date around it, and with this stick we will get the flower is ready. So it's almost done. Beautiful. In the next we have made the dough in this way. Now using the knife like that and rolling the each cut with the help of stick, we are making this kind of pearl, so you will get another kind of design in this way. Beautifully done. Now using the knife to make the pearl more advanced, and after this done we are using some piece of dough in the circle and using the knife making a cut in between, using the stick in this way, putting the date and rolling it up, so you will get a flower. So putting it into the flower, it's ready. In the next we are using the dough, rolling it up upward and downward side, making a face by pinching up the face with the help of finger. Now using this comb and press it in the behind, making its face, and it's ready. In the next we are using the 4 pair of dough and using this comb by this. Now using this date and rolling on the each side, so you will get this with the help of stick. We are just putting it together, and now using this circle shape dough, rolling it up, so you will get a flower. Make a cut in between and put it on the corner. It's ready. In the next we are using the dough and making a cut with the help of knife, more cut like that. And now we are doing what? Putting the date in between the cuts and joint it up. Now taking the circular shape of dough, making a cut in between, using the comb to make it look more attractive, or you can say more different. Put it all together using the stick, and now it's turn to roll it up with the help of by putting the date into it. And now we are just put it into the middle of the flower, and it's done. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.